Okay, maybe. There we go. I think. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Okay, wrong title, but at least better. Control copy. YouTube stream. Oh my gosh, get rid of chat. How do I make chat go away? That does not help me. Save. Okay. Hopefully going okay? Yes, okay. Why on earth the first moment it has to send to someone playing Hello Kitty? Like, come on, that's very strange that that's what it would default to. Here's Hello Kitty. Just in case you, you know, you were interested in that. Go back deck. Refresh. Okay. All right. And then for some reason, StreamerBot is no longer talking, so I'm going to bring up StreamerBot again. Streaming is a pain. No, I don't. You lie! Okay. Crystal clear. Okay, good. Hopefully it stays that way. Okay. Connect. Okay. Hopefully it stays. Fingers crossed. I know, I'm the worst, but I am going to run to the bathroom real quick, so I will be right back, and then we will keep going. So, give me a moment. Sorry. We can expect you to not have to use the restroom as long as it doesn't seem me. Hello Kitty again. We are all good. No more Hello Kitty. Not allowed. Alright. I got snacks. I got 2 little wooden bowls, one with sunflower seeds and the other one with nacho bugles. And I got some tea. I also got my in-ear headphones, which should help. Let's go! I was about to call the police. I was afraid you fell in the toilet. No, I had to get snacks. Okay. So we have a couple of things we want to figure out now. For instance, we need a health bar. Which is going to be Node 3D, like a label or something. I don't think it's a label, but maybe a canvas layer? No. Maybe if I work backwards. I know that it's label 3D. So geometry instance. It's such a pain to find anything. Or is that a decal? Nothing like coffee and VR. Well, that's one of the nice things about using the Quest 3 is that it's thin enough that I can usually drink tea while wearing it. The important part is the snacks. Yes, I fell in the toilet. I had to go for a swim. Had to get my cardio in for the day. Thanks. Hmm. Okay. Easy enough. Where'd my music go? Unless I just have the volume for these headphones so low that... There we go. I'm listening to the Hollow Knight soundtrack, naturally. What did we talk about? That would be a terrifying scene. Bobbing for a trail mix. Oh my god. I could do it. I bet bugles are easy to like, eat without hands. Right? Because, like, they're bugles. You just... Easy. That copy is just heaven with hammering out code. I've heard anything. Well, apple trail mix does sound good. I mean, nacho bugles are pretty solid, is all I'm saying. And since you're all new to the stream, yeah, nacho cheese. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. But these are my programming chopsticks. So if I don't want to get my fingers gross, I can just Are you old enough to remember it's chopsticks, but they go in your, like, they spring back and they lock into your fingers. I got them for Christmas for my roommates, and they're really, really useful. All I want for this company to sponsor me, it would be the best. And I'll use these every single day on stream. Ira Goo. No, it was a Christmas present. But anyway. Back in the day, you used to be able to get bugles that were buffalo flavored, and they were so good. Exactly. I don't have to worry about getting mouse gook either. Nobody likes mouse gook. Okay, let's see. So, progress bar, and then under texture progress bar. Okay. Layout? How do I get to stretch margin? Don't even think about it, Mr. Stray Cat. Sorry, we have one stray cat in our neighborhood. I don't even know if they're stray. Like, I don't even know if it's a stray cat or not, because it has a collar, which is new, which means somebody has taken it, like, you know, the cat in to some degree. I'm so confused. How do I get to the visual side of this? Oh, is it called a texture progress bar? Change type. Texture progress bar. Change. Center. Okay. Cool. Stretch. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So, I need to make this, huh? Fine. Chili dog. Stray cat. I'm not gonna lie, like, a Little Caesars pizza sounds pretty awesome. I could fucks with that. Let's do a new image. We'll just make it something like, right. I think it stretches it for me, right? How did they save this? I mean, oh, I guess it is just... Yeah, interesting. Okay. So theirs is just a square. 1920 by 1920. Great. Okay. And then new. In fact, we can just delete that one. More snacks, please. Ah. How do I want this to look is the question. Sure. Foreground color. Let's go to the background color. Let's make it like a darker red. Okay. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, maybe. Sure. We'll do that, and then layer style, we'll satin coat it. Maybe bevel instead. You got this. I believe in you. Amazing. Boy, it's really struggling for a like bevel that I personally don't think would be that hard to do. Then again, I'm not a program, so what do I know? Okay. 15. Sure. Then what I can do is duplicate. Actually, no. I could have done this a lot smarter, but that's okay. And then we will go green. And like a darker green. And then we'll just copy effects, paste layer style. It's kind of boring. I think something like rounder might be nicer. Let's see. No outline. Red. Okay, layer style. Because now what I can do is like black outline. Cool. And then I really want to try to do it with satin. Okay. Duplicate. Except this time we'll do green. All right, and then control transform. And then I think style, invert. We'll do a lighten, white. Maybe with like green. Yeah, okay. And then we'll get rid of the stroke. Control transform again. I'm just gonna pull this out a little bit more. Boy, I really hope that I'm understanding how this person did this setup correctly, because if not, it's going to be a real shame whenever I go to apply this as the health bar and it doesn't work. I should probably switch over to my face cam. Just in case. Listen, I also am an artist that draws, and sometimes I draw things that maybe, YouTube and Twitch wouldn't appreciate. That's all. There's nothing wrong with that. Alright, let's see. Godot games. Deck of many swords. Textures. Health bar. It's gonna save both, so file save as PNG. Okay, I'll turn this on, turn this off, and file save as. We'll just call this health bar health. That's good. That's not gonna be confusing. Hey, I appreciate a person of plot. I still wanted to make content with Blender. Frankly, it's been years and still can't make a good humanoid. Hey, I've been a 3D artist, even professionally, and I still do not like any of the humanoid models that I ever make. It doesn't mean you can't still have fun with it, you know? Under is going to be this one. Nice. Then over is going to be this one. Okay. And then stretch margin. So left is going to be, what, like 20? 100? 0. Let me watch this tutorial again real quick. Okay, so then correct value 100. Nine patch stretch, okay. So they just did 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. That doesn't look right. 50. 8. 0. 0. I feel like I'm misunderstanding how this works. Oh, well, for one, it's not over, it's progress. There we go. Okay. For 2, 20? That almost looks right. 50. 0. 0. 20. 10. I don't know what I'm doing exactly right now. Whenever they did that, it fixed their borders. Nope. What am I doing wrong? I'm so confused. Yeah, it's still definitely just one of those things where, like, I think that if you waste enough time on something, you'll eventually get pretty okay at it. And, you know, it's just ultimately, like, how much time do you want to spend getting better at something, you know? Can I do negatives? I cannot do negatives. Okay. Yeah-huh. Alright, maybe I just don't care, you know? Like, it still looks pretty good. I just really wish that, I don't know what rounded means either. Oh, rounded as in like the number. Gotcha. Anyway. I'm just bad creatively. Aw, I doubt that. Listen, creativity spawns in many different ways. If you're really good at programming, that's creativity. Like, I don't know. I believe in everybody. I think everybody's good at everything. Nobody's bad at anything. It's just, you know... Health bar. Oh, it looks so bad. I want this to be fixed, but I don't know how to fix it. It's fine. Okay, we're moving on. Sub viewport. Right. It looks like we go into our skeleton. We do a sub viewport. Well, we do a couple of things. And do a sprite 3D. But then we also do a sub viewport. Okay. And then inside the sub viewport, we will do health bar. Okay. Does not seem to have worked. Gotcha. Sprite 3D. New viewport texture. Sub viewport. Oh, okay. That's very large. So let's do like half of that maybe. Divided by 2. Oop. Divided by 2. Even less than that. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Weird. Okay, here, wait. Measuring tool. Okay. 361 by 27. So 361 by 27. I'm going to put you back in. Back to 3D. I don't know if like the anchor point's wrong now or something. There it is. Okay. And then we want transparent background. Can I just scale this in here? Oh. Thank you. That was so loud. Hi. Thank you for the subscribe. I appreciate it. It's been real, guys. Rook is awesome meeting you. Good luck with your project. I'll likely be checking back in and chill and vibe. Oh, thanks, Wildox. I appreciate it. Have a good one. It was a pleasure meeting you. As long as I can. Interesting yachts. I have not heard of that. I'm just gonna do this. Okay? I'm just gonna do this. And we're gonna hope. We're gonna come back out. Well, first we're gonna save. Okay. Is there a way to make it that it's always facing the camera? I feel like there must be. Let's see. Okay, there we go. It sounds like it is... Was it in progress? No. I think it was in sub viewport. We want to make this a billboard. Where's that at? There we go. So that inside Sprite 3D, there should be one called Billboard. But where? Under flags. Do you have a flag? There we go. Okay. I didn't save again. Now, do we think that this is going to work in XR? Now that I'm thinking about it, whenever we were over here in sub viewport, one of the options was use XR, so I'm going to turn that on. And hope. Oh, that's a bad sign. Not seeing it anymore. Let's just try it anyways. Otherwise, we can turn that back off. Back into VR we go. Oh, goodness. Quit. I really need to set the timeout to be longer. It's hard that you made. It's a hard and both of you made it. It's a hard that you made. I won't rest until I break it. Okay, let's see. Fingers crossed. Oh, well. I mean, technically, yes. But also no. So let's go back in here. Let's turn off use XR. Scene. Save scene. Thank you. I thought you were already subscribed. Huh. So now we just don't have a health bar at all. Where did it go? Hello? Come back. I don't know where it would have gone. Put it back in. Still not there. Sprite 3D. Thank you, Wild Ox Studios. I appreciate you being here. It's been fun. Billboard, let's disable for a second. And re-enable. Nope. Okay. Let's turn off viewport path. And then sub viewport again. Nope. Okay. Let's pull this out. It's definitely still here, so that's good. Oh, the size changed. Weird. Okay. God, what was it? The worst part is I can't even, like, reset this. I mean, that's kind of correct, but only kind of. It's like 215 and like 27 or something like that. Oh. Like right there. Okay. Will this actually work in VR, though, is the question. I mean, yes, it does tilt weird, so that's not ideal, but otherwise, yes. I can definitely see the health bar now, so that's good. I do love that it tilts. Doot, 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 doot. And his animations are still running, which makes me happy. All right, for right now, we're keeping the silly tilting health bar, because at least it stays above his head. It follows, you know, my head in order to assert dominance, obviously. And I hate it for that. Because it's working. Its dominance is definitely asserted. Oh, goodness. Dolby's a free elf again. Sprite 3D billboard mode equals base material 3D billboard fixed Y. Wait, what? Good to meet you. You can lock the access. Ooh, okay. Can I do it without code? Because if I don't have to code it, I'll be really happy. Thank you, Graphic Edit. I appreciate the follow. You're awesome. Go, Dot, go. I believe in you, Go, Dot. How's it going, Graphic Edit? Surely there's a way to lock it, right? Right? Without code? Do I really have to use the code? That makes me sad. Okay, fine. Here. So we'll go in. It's fine. We got this. You ready? I'm about to do this so quickly it's gonna blow your mind. Variable. We're gonna call this health bar. Because we're going to need this in the code anyways. So health bar. And then what is it? It's a I guess it's a texture progress bar. Yeah, okay. Texture progress bar, okay, equals get node calls node, and then inside here we're going to get progress bar, which I think should just show up if I start typing, right? There it is. Okay. So now that we have it, there should be a billboard mode property. My poor brain is just like, it probably is. Let's see. Billboard, okay. Transparent, shaded, double-sided, no depth test, fixed size, alpha cut. Okay, not that I'm seeing, but that's okay. In what? Not take damage. Nope. Okay. We'll just do ready. Sorry, funk. Ready. And inside that, we're going to health bar. Dot billboard, nope. Oh, it's Sprite 3D that we're aiming for? Right. Okay, here, wait. Then let's do that too. Ready. Variable. Sprite 3D. This is a terrible thing to do. Don't do this. I should name it something else, but I don't care right now. Sprite 3D equals get node. Then here we should be able to go Sprite 3D. How do I know? See, this is exactly why you don't do this. Because how do you know? You know? Billboard mode equals base material 3D dot billboard mode. Oh no, billboard fixed Y. Let's see if that worked. Thank you, Wild Ox. See, I'm inclined to believe Wild Ox, since Wild Ox actually works in the industry. And has probably been programming for a lot longer than I have. Nope. Here, wait. Assign property or key billboard mode with value of type int on a base object of type sprite 3D. What does that mean? Invalid assignment. A property or key billboard mode with value of type integer on a base object of type sprite 3D. What does that mean? Okay, well, it didn't immediately complain about that, so let's see. Oh, yes! Okay, that seems to have fixed it, I think. Yeah, okay. Awesome. We have a health bar. I hope it's not too distracting. It's definitely like, I don't know, I think it's fine. Yeah, no, that's good. It looks pretty good when we get far away. I really need to add like step audio and stuff, because walking around and not hearing my character like making step sounds is like, it hurts my brain. You're doing such a good job, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Let's stab you real quick. Okay. Hiya! 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 See, we want to avoid this, right? Which is kind of why, like, the timer probably has to be longer. I also want to make it that, like, you know, I don't know, there has to be a little bit more to the hitting than what we currently have. But, I mean, that might be something for a different day. Let's get the health actually to go down. Going down, down in an early round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'm such an old person. A slap up for 2 damage. I need a damage cooldown. Yeah, exactly. Like, it shouldn't be... You shouldn't be able to just keep on hitting him. There has to be, like, a break in between hits. So let's see. Okay, that's all fine. Next up, in take damage. So here's where we get confused, right? Because what we want so we're gonna make another await. And this is gonna be our cooldown. So up here, we're gonna just export variable cooldown. It's gonna be a float. That's definitely how you spell float. And it's gonna be like 2 seconds. Okay. And then down here, we're gonna do await get underscore tree dot dot create timer, and then inside that we're gonna do cooldown. Okay, and then timeout. So now hit doesn't reset to false. Oh, but wait. That is problematic. then we do this, right? Because effectively, what's happening right now is you hit the skeleton, this happens. So here, then let's... How are we going to do this here, right? Right now, anytime that you hit the skeleton, the hit marker switches to true. Which means that I should make another boolean called can be hit. Sure. Okay. Let's keep this semi-organized. Can be hit. That is also going to be a boolean. And it's going to start false, or it's going to start true. Okay. So, if hit equals true and can be hit equals true, then we run take damage, okay? But whenever take damage fires, we want to do can be hit equals false. And then we wait. And after a certain amount of time, can be hit switches back to being true. Save. Okay. So now there should be a cooldown timer. Something like a cooldown. And if sword is detected, do not start cooldown. Hope that makes sense. We'll make it so people don't leave sword in and take damage every 2 seconds. Yes, correct. Okay. Why was that already happening, though? You're right, though. That should be easy enough to fix. So, all we need to do is find our area node again. This one. Okay. And then node. Oh. Should I be concerned about the fact that... Oh, it's this one. I don't have these all set up yet. Area entered, area exited is the one we want. Correct, connect. Okay. So. What we want, if hit equals true and can be hit equals true. Does that mean that we rip this out of here? No. We need to make one more, I think. I could be wrong, but I think we need to make one more. Variable. Sword in. That sounds vaguely sexual. Equals false. Okay. And then we come back down here and boom. Area is in group. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. And sword in equals false. Okay. But sword in only becomes false whenever we exit. So sword in equals false. Because up here, sword in is going to equal true. Or rather, wait, sorry. That would cause a circle. There we go. Now, why are we mad? Oh, that's why. Oh. Equals. Okay. If hit equals true, is it in yet? Sorry, I hope I'm not pushing too much on you. No, you're good. Also made something like a quote. Yeah. Okay, so I think that covers all of our bases. So let's take a look. Basically, now I shouldn't be able to just leave the sword in. Giggity. But if I take the sword back out, try to hit before the cooldown timer ends, I also shouldn't be able to hit. Don't hit. So here. Ha! Ha! Okay. Ha! Okay, cool. Yep. Ha! 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 Okay, the cooldown timer is probably a little bit too long, but it is working. So that's good. Hiya! 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 Oh, I need to turn off physics hands. Shit constantly makes everything fly away. Anyway. Looks good so far, yet it works. This feels like I'm learning a few things myself. Good. That's the best part about, streaming content like this, is that we all get to work on this together and hopefully all get better. Am I good at doing inspirational talks? Should I stop doing those? Let's see. XR player. 0.75 on cooldown for a more natural slice feel. Yeah, I think that's probably good. Just to make sure that people aren't just going like they have to actually make the movement. If they make the movement, then sure, it's fine, but alright. I would like to replace you, please. What am I trying to do? Delete. And delete. Like, physics hands will be nice later on, and I'll figure it out again later on, but for right now, I don't want to deal with it. Left full glove hand, open. Oh, it's so yellow. Control A. No, Control Shift A. There we go. Right. Open. And then, because it's going to drive me insane if I don't, I need to change. What is it? Maybe visibility? No. Where do I actually change the, model? Here we go. Hand material override. New standard material. I'm just gonna make you I don't know. Beautiful. Glorious. Copy. And then same for you. Actually, do I even have to? Can't I just quick load? No. That's fine. Not a fog material. Yes, your hand shall be made out of fog. Enjoy, dingus. V. Okay. Oh, that didn't work. You're right. Control V. Sure. There we go. Okay. Control save. I'm telling you, I'm gonna make a shirt that says Control save. Character is now Pac-Man confirmed. Great to me, honestly, but I'm just one guy. Reminds me of the old iToy days playing the ninja games, just slice away. Yeah, there's still things, obviously, to make the fighting feel good that I want to fix. I want to make sure that whenever you use the sword and hit the opponent, the sword actually, stops moving. But last time we tried to set that up, I broke everything. It was really bad. Okay, so next. Yeah, back in skeleton. We're gonna go back into our code. All right, so do we have a health? We have a health, right? Health bar. No, but we have an actual, yeah, HP, here we go. Let's actually, can we change this? Can we call this health? Is that okay? And we're gonna have it just start at 10. Like, it's exported, so it's fine. It'll do its own thing, but okay. And then down here, let's go ahead and grab our progress bar. So health bar. Dot. Somewhere in here. Progress. Equals. Health. Error. Value of type int cannot be assigned to a variable of type texture 2D. Oh, okay, here, wait one sec. Progress bar. We are trying to change max value. No. Value. Okay. So dot range. Okay, so not that. Value equals health. Okay. Except it's always going to be a different number depending on what... Wait. Do VR controllers have a vibrate? Yeah, they do. I believe so. Yeah, no, they do. Absolutely. Be cool, yeah. Especially for haptic feedback. Is there a way to make a controller vibrate on impact? You absolutely can. That's one of the things I wanted to add to my like VR bow and arrow game was... It would have been nice if, like, when you pulled the arrow back, it vibrated more and more depending on how far away you pull. But you always have to be, like, done with a project eventually, so it's fine. How do we... It's not normalize. What are we looking for? We're trying to make this go from being 10, no matter what number it is, right? Equals range, I think? No, it's not range. What's the word that I'm looking for? It's not normalize. Clamp. Okay, so the variant is health. The minimum is going to be 0.0, and the maximum is going to be 100.0. Which I think will spread health across the entire progress bar, I hope. Let's see. I actually don't know if this is going to work. Because I think clamp just makes it that it locks the range. Yeah, it just locks the range between 0 and 100. That's not what I want. I want it to take the number and then what, like average? No, not average. What's the word that I'm trying to think of? Why is math such a jerk? What am I trying to words? What am I trying to put in my brain words? Let's see. So we have a number, and I want to spread it out between 0 and 100. So take a value. Actually, this might just be a multiplication problem. Right? No. Yes. No. What am I trying to do right now? So there's the health bar is 100. Okay, cool. The monster has a health of 10. Awesome. So now, whenever I hit it for 1, I want it to drop to 90 on the health bar. How do I do that? But like make it modular is the thing. That's the big part. Is like I want to make it that regardless of if I say the skeleton has 30 health or 100 health or whatever, it's going to like normalize? Is it normalize? Normalize float. What does the normalize function do? Velocity delta represents a direction and a distance. You can calculate the length of a vector with Pythagoras' theorem. For instance, vector 2, 1 to 1 represents one unit along the x-axis y and start at point 0. Follow the vector, you will end up... No. Like, I don't even know how to word the question is the problem, you know? How do I word that? I would like to take a value. I would like it to be spread out across a value of 100. Dynamically determine how much we can do in process without affecting the frame rate. That is not what I want. Smart way to deal with percentages. Hey everybody, how do you deal with percentage in your game projects? If you put a percent in your number, like 100% damage, it is no longer an int or float and you cannot work with it. But you might still want to tell the player that is on percent bonus or effect. Is there a smart way to deal with this? Variable percentage equals 100. Variable value equals max value divided by percentage. What does that output then? Okay, so let's try that. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure that this is just a math problem, and I'm just not mathing good. So, up here, we are going to do variable percentage equals 100. Okay, and another variable that's going to be max value. Well, no, we don't need max value. Max value is health. Okay, never mind. Down here, we are then going to do a health equals max value. Oh, here, wait. That's gonna cause a problem. Totally. Okay, variable. Max health. We have this backwards. This should be health. This should be max health. And then variable health is its own thing. Just gonna do int. Okay, health equals max health divided by percentage. That still doesn't make sense, right? Because then if health is 10, right? 10 divided by 100 is 10. Sorry, 100 divided by 10 is 10. So that doesn't help us. We have to go the other way. What's the question? Okay, so the question is, how do I take a number outside of the range of 100, right? And make it 100. And then, whenever that number changes, have it change by that percentage or whatever. Does that even make sense as words? So like if the monster's health is 15, let's say, it has 15 health, but my health bar is a range from 0 to 100. How do I make it that 100 represents the 15 health? And it adjusts itself accordingly. So if I deal 1 damage to it and now he's at 14 health, then we, apply that to the range. I'm not sure what the answer is. Oh no, I didn't freeze again. Okay. Yeah, no, we seem to still be live, which is good. Okay. Godot, how to take a number and spread it out over 100. It's none of those. Bar 0 to 100. Different. Maybe. Scaling health bar variables to always equal 100. You should convert those values to percentage, so you'll always have a value between 0 and 100, such as current health percentage equals current health divided by max health times 100. Ah, okay. There we go. So health equals max health and current health. So we want another one called like current health percentage. Percentage. That's going to be an integer. Or is it a float? Actually might be a float. Okay. And then health equals max health divided by, oh wait, no, we're doing this wrong still. Current health percentage equals current health, so health divided by max. Do we not call it max health? Max health. It is max health. What the crap? Health, max health times 100. There we go. Like, I knew it was easy, which is why I was getting so confused. There we go. So now, if I put the headset on, I cared who I was until I put on the mask. Wii programming. Math is fun. Math is great. Well, right now it's at 0. Because... oh no, that doesn't make sense. Wait, why is it at 0? Why? 0. Why? Oh, because we never established what current health percentage is. So at the very, very start of the game, right, we also want to say that health equals max health right at the beginning, right? So at the very beginning, max health is our health. And then down further, we're going to, like, this is all going to move. Because we want that to be updated regularly, basically. There we go. Now the health bar is full. And, I mean, we can attack, but it's not going to deal any damage yet because we have to set that up. But that's easy enough. Because now what we're going to do is... max health. That's fine. We're going to grab this. Copy. Come down to take damage. And probably like right here, I guess. B, current health percentage equals, okay, we're just going to do health and for right now we're just going to do minus equals 1. Oh, and then also we're going to clamp it. So health equals clamp min max. Okay. Health 0 and health max health. Control save. Okay. So now, every time we hit him, should take 1 damage. So, yeah. Well, that instantly killed him. But isn't that how minus equals works? We killed him so quickly. So you hit... I thought minus equals meant that... health equals... health minus 1. Right? Why is that instantly killing you? That shouldn't instantly kill you. Where am I going wrong in my math? P equals false. Okay. Mashed potato override damage material. Health equals health minus 1. Where are we going wrong? Is an integer, correct. Okay. Max health is an integer. I should probably make these floats, honestly, but we'll get to that in a second. Max health is 10. Right? Right? Yes. Okay. Max health starts at 10. Health. Hit. Can be hit. Sword in. Giggity. Cooldown. Current health percentage is afloat. Okay. Health equals max health on ready. So at the very beginning, health equals max health. Max health is 10. Okay. Sprite 3D billboard. Base material, billboard, fixed Y. Sure. Current health percentage equals health divided by max health times 100. Cool. Health bar dot value equals current health percentage. All that's correct. Sweet. Then down here, health equals health minus 1. Health equals clamp health 0, and then max health. Current health percentage equals health divided by max health times 100. Is that the problem? If we hit them... So health is 10, max health is 10. That's 1. Then they get hit. Health becomes 9 divided by max health. Oh, but we're timesing it by 100, so that should all equal out perfectly fine. Equals 100 equals whatever percentage after that. Let's print it! To the printing! Print. Health. Okay. Because the only other thing that I can think of is that whenever it gets hit, it's firing like a million times. Okay, what happened? Why did it just write the word health? Oh, I put it in freaking parentheses. That's my bad. Da, da, da. Play. We're gonna figure this out, dang it. You're dead. What happened? See, and that says health is 9. But if health is 9, then why are we at 0? Is it because of clamp? Real quick, I'll turn off clamp. Either that or I'm just doing my math incorrectly. Come on. Sorry, I just realized I haven't looked at chat in like what feels like 16 years. Okay, that's definitely still killing them. Hiya. Yeah. I'm assuming that this is making it count down. I hope. Yeah, okay, that is. So I'm doing my math wrong. Sorry, here, I'll look at chat real quick. Maybe he only has 1 health. Good debug. He could do is for it to log the current health and launch to make sure it's 110. Print current health and damage output. Good call, good call. We've established that he is, in fact, dropping by 1 each time, which means that here is wrong. Current health percentage equals, let's just say like 8. 8 divided by max health, which is 10, should be 0.8, right? Or something like that. Let me check this real quick. Calculator. 8 divided by 10 equals 0.8 times 100 equals 80. Okay. That should be correct then. Health bar dot value equals current health percentage. Okay, let's look at our health bar again. Or the progress bar rather. Max value is 100. Value is 50. Range current value. Changing this property, even via code, will trigger value change signal. Use set value no signal if you want to avoid it. Print, no. Print, current health percentage. Play. Zero. But that doesn't math right. What do you mean zero? Equals health minus 1. That's correct. So current health percentage equals health divided by max health times 100. Why would it be 0? It's health divided by max health. I feel like I'm losing my mind. What am I doing wrong? The math is incorrect because right now health is going down correctly, but immediately the health bar dot value becomes incorrect. Equals health divided by max health. Why would that be wrong? What if we did, oh my God. That order of operations? Maybe? Nope, instantly dead. 0. Why 0? Equals health divided by max health times 100. Where am I going wrong? Is it because of this? I think that was the problem. I think it's because these were integers and not floats. I'd bet my left leg on it. Because if it's an integer, it's going to immediately default down to 0. Ah, yes. Haha. Yes. Okay. 100% just a math problem. Or not even a math problem. That was just user error. Shock and surprise. Let's change our skeleton to have a lower cooldown. I think like 0.75 is probably good. Okay. Make sure that cooldown's allowed to be afloat. It is. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. All right, so stab, but you can't, even if you leave it in, it doesn't deal any extra damage. You have to pull away and attack again. And you have to... Okay, 0.75 I think is probably a little bit too long still. I wish I could find like the most dramatic death. Like it'd be like, ah! Help! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to be a skeleton. My apologies. So instead of 0.75, let's do like 0.2. That might be too quick, but we'll see. I just don't want you to be able to, like, you know, go like this. But you should still be able to, like, you know, dodge and attack and ha and hya and hya and kia. Point 2 might still be too long. Amazingly. We're gonna find that sweet spot where it feels good, but also doesn't let you break it. Heya, 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 heya. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3. That still feels way too long. Is cooldown actually plugged into it correctly? There's no way that's 0.1 second. There's no way that's 0.1 second. Oh, I think I know what's wrong. Stop. Okay. Whenever you're more than halfway towards your calories for the day, that's surprising since I've been sitting here the whole time. Take damage. Can be hit false. Mesh material override. Can be hit true. It's because of our cooldown timers. I don't think we need this one anymore. No, wait. That should be correct though. Get tree, create timer. 0.1 seconds. Cooldown. Okay. Dot timeout. That should be fine. If area is in group, hit. If hit, take. Yep. Okay. Sorted in equals true. Sorted in equals false. Where's the timer happening that it's going so slow? Current health percentage. Maybe because it's doing this one, and then it's doing this one? I don't think that would do it, though. Can be hit equals false. Meshed up material override dash material health equals health minus 1. Print health. Current health percentage. Blah, 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 blah. For current health. I don't have to worry about this anymore. Or this. And then we do want this to clamp. So I'm going to turn that back on. Percentage equals health. Max health times 100. Health bar dot value equals current health percentage equals null. Wait, get tree, create timer, cooldown dot timeout, hit equals false, can be hit equals true. Okay, all that should be correct. And then down here, let's just make sure there's not a timer on it. Don't need this anymore. It's in group sword, hit equals true. If hit equals true, and it can be hit, and sword in is false, then take damage. And sword in equals true. I'm not seeing any reason that this would be wrong. Run. Okay. But like, there's definitely a max speed. In fact, now it's probably too fast. And then you're dead. I'm sorry, buddy. You're dead. Your health bar's gone. I know, life is hard. But it's okay, you're a skeleton. So you were already dead to begin with, so it's okay. You'll be fine. Alright. Oh boy. I could, yeah, I'll either mix-mo it or tomorrow I'll just make an animation real quick. But I do think that's where I'm going to stop for today. I think we covered an insane amount of ground. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you being here, Yuts. I hope you're okay with me calling you Yuts. I know it's Yut Skill CG or Skill GC, but I'm gonna just call you Yut if that's all right. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna go. You know, I don't know, do something. Probably play Prey Moon Crash with my roommate if he's down for it. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been a pleasure. It's been super fun. All right, bye.